Eave quarter brackets, they kind of fit kind of loose on here. Most times they fit pretty loose. So we kind of, if they fit tight, great. But we just kind of bring them up to the string line. Look good right there. Moved out on me. It's loose. I should have tapped it with a hammer. So you can see right here, if you look down this line, you look down the line, you can see that all the corners are right on the string line. Plumb up the two ends with the 4-foot levels. Make sure they're plumb this way. Make sure it planes the truss, plug the wall. Once you got that, you run your string line nice and tight. You can put these up on the string line, makes it nice and straight, so all your hat channels straight, your eave trim straight. We found out that's really easy to do. It's really, you can't go wrong if you use a string line. So we'll do a couple more. We'll screw these off. We'll do a couple more. These things are really loose. The 3 inches are really bad, but if you take your hammer, just tap that, do just a little dip. It does make them tighter, where they don't fight them near as bad. Grab up the line. I like to do that once I get it set. I just put me a little mark. So if I'm screwing and I see that it's off that mark, I can push it to the mark. On there, ninja grip. Put one in there, make sure it's at the line. Put one in there, make sure it's at the line. Looks good. And then go to town. Go down, screw it off. That's all Wes does all day long is screw off. Screw off. Little put little loose. We use cordless drills, and I'll tell you why. I explain to you. One of the videos I saw, I said you can change your batteries a lot. So we bought DeWalt corded drills, and when that screw hits that end, it will almost break your wrist because it just torques it. So we ended up going with the cordless, which it has the chuck on it, impact drivers, and so you don't feel that. But I got 2 brand new drills in there. I used them one day and that was it. And I put them up, said no, that's going to kill somebody. So that's why we went to cordless. It worked good. 200 amp an hour, 18 volt. I got like 7 batteries, and they're always being charged, so we don't really usually run out of battery life. It's just real easy to put them on.